To make a sale with Zeller POS Lite, simply select the items you want to sell, review the cart, and hit charge. Let's look at this in more detail. Using Zeller Terminal 2 or the Zeller app, select POS Lite from the Mode menu in the top right on the terminal screen, or select POS Lite on your homepage in Zeller app. All your items are categorised in the Home tab. You can save your top sellers in the Favourites tab. To add an item to a sale, tap the category and then the item. If there are attributes like size or colour, select the one you're selling. Add modifiers here too, such as gift wrapping for a plant or milk choice if you're selling coffee. Then hit Add. Once you've finished adding items to your sale, hit the Cart button at the bottom of the screen. From the cart, you can tap an item to apply a discount to it, make updates, or remove it from the sale. Tap the three-dot icon in the top right to apply a discount to the entire sale, or to discard the sale. When you're ready to accept payment, tap the Charge button and ask your customer to pay. Once the payment is approved, your customer can scan the QR code to download the receipt on their phone, or enter their details to receive an email or SMS receipt. Zeller POS Lite is only available on Zeller Terminal 2 and in Zeller app. To find out more about using Zeller POS Lite, including how to create items, how to create modifiers, and how discounts work, visit the Zeller Support Centre.